Hi guys, it's Rachelle from Vintage Furniture in beautiful Sydney today. And today we're going to remake over this piece. Do I need to explain why? I don't think so. It's white. Let's give it an extreme makeover, shall we? I think we should. This is a piece that I refurbished a while ago. Let's be honest, it's boring. I'm not sure what stain blocker I used on it. Anyway, it didn't work. There's still pink coming through it. So it's time for me to give this girl another makeover. What I'm thinking is the top would look fantastic with some decoupage on. Plus that means I don't have to worry about that bleed through. So let's have a look what decoupage paper I've got. Royce from Rocycled sent me over a heap of papers. I was so excited when they arrived. Royce is in the US, but there are stockists in Australia. But let's just have a look what we've got. For those that know me, I'm sure it comes as no surprise that I have chosen this one. The greens are beautiful. Isn't that gorgeous? Right, for the Aussies, it's 76 centimetres. For those who talk in inches, that's 30 inches by 50 centimetres, which is 20. So 30 inches by 20 inches and 76 by 50. I'm going to take a moment to appreciate my new apron. This was sent to me by Sew Punk Studio, Amanda. She made it from a pair of jeans. It's green, and it's got my logo on, and it fits me. Thank you, Amanda. First up, I'm going to give it the usual clean with Dixie Belle White Lightning, and then I will rinse it off with fresh water afterwards. So I'm going to use my sleek brushes, my sleek 38, and then the sleek round brush. This is the 21. Let's turn this girl into something that I can live with. White and pink bleed through. It's not that. The sensible thing to do is to paint the body before I do the top, because I don't want to be having to mess around with worrying I'm going to get the paint on the decoupage paper. The body I'm going to go with Dixie Belle Silk Serenity. Now I used this when it first came out and I could have sworn it was more of a blue, but this absolutely looks more of a green. I don't need to worry about priming. Firstly, because I've already primed it. Secondly, because this has got a built-in primer. Thirdly, because I'm lazy. Don't forget to subscribe, please, guys. I love you forever. What do you think of the colour, guys? Is it a yay or a nay for you? Comment below, please. You know I love hearing your comments. My preferred method for decoupage is always the iron-on method when it's on a flat surface like this. I just find it really easy and I like the smooth finish that it gives. Now I'm going to just lay down 2 coats of top coat, and I'm using Dixie Belle Satin Clear. So I'll do 1 coat, wait for it to dry, 2nd coat, wait for it to dry, and then I'll iron it on. I'm really excited to use this paper, I'm not going to lie. I'm already thinking about other pieces I could do as well. So you want to put a good coat of this on. Don't be flimsy with it. You're going to be using it as an adhesive. So when you iron it on, it reactivates this and then acts as a glue. So you want a pretty decent layer. And make sure you get to all the edges too. Okay, I'm going to leave that to dry. Then I'll come and do another coat. And then I'll come back to you when I'm ready to get the decoupage on. Then I need to decide what I'm going to do with the detailed areas. I'm thinking maybe a white wax, but I'll see what colour that decoupage paper throws when it's on there first to see what colour I want to pull from it. Bit of a change of scene, guys. I've had to bring it inside because we've just had a huge hailstorm. So now I'm laying this down. I've got my cutesy little craft iron. And now I'm just going to use some greaseproof paper. You're basically laying that between the iron and the decoupage paper so you don't burn the decoupage paper. Oh, it's going to look beautiful. Look at it. I'm not worried about trimming all this off. I'll do this later. If you haven't done so already, please take the time to like the video and comment with any questions or tips. You know, I love getting tips. This also helps the algorithm and so helps to push out my videos to a wider audience. Plus, I really love waking up to all your gorgeous comments in the morning. Right, that's down. Silky smooth. Now I need to file it off. So a lovely subscriber told me about these. I got them off eBay. OPI 100, 180. I'm assuming it's 180 one side, 100 the next. This is really beautiful paper to work with. Look at that. And what I'll do after, if I need to, is I'll just go around and touch up if I feel I need to. For those interested in seeing more, you might actually like to look at becoming a member. It's $5.99 a month, and for that you get exclusive content. It's not always about furniture, but sometimes you just get to have a giggle at me. That's got to be worth $5.99 a month, surely. So I decided I'd touch this up, and I've literally just got an artist brush. I'm just very carefully doing those edges. I'm now just going to quickly seal the top. What you might find, so this is just satin clear coat again, Dixie Belle. So what you may find, quite common, once you put this on, it will wrinkle again. It's not a biggie. It's expected. Just wait for it to dry and put the paper down again, the greaseproof paper, and just iron it down again. It will settle. Don't stress. All part of the creative process. Well, that's annoying. It appears that while I was doing the white wax, I wasn't recording. So I'll just tell you what I've done. On the detailed areas, I just used my Le Petite Dixie Belle wax brush and the Dixie Belle white wax just to bring out those detailed areas, and I actually went over the entire piece with the white wax as well, just so it all blended in well together. Rocycled with Dixie Belle and Woodubend, match made in heaven. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm stoked. I can't wait to work on the next piece. Also, check out my new awesome rug. How beautiful is this? This is from Iconic Rugs. I like it so much, I've already ordered another one. This one is actually going to be in my house. So I'm going to get a runner for my staging area. Thanks so much for sticking with me, guys. As always, I really appreciate your support. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Take care, guys.